Hi children, today you are going to learn textual exercise. Let's start practice time 1. Write A, O, and before the nouns given below. First one, dash table. First letter is T. That is a consonant sound, right? So we use A table. Second one, an apple. First letter is A, that is a vowel. So we use an. Third one, a car. C is consonant. Fourth one, a mouse. M consonant. So we use A. Next one, an eye. E is a vowel. So we use an eye. Sixth one, an arm. A is a vowel sound. So we use an. Seventh one, a fish. F is a consonant. Eighth one, a ship. S is a consonant sound. Last one, an egg. E is a vowel. So we use an. A table, an apple, a car, a mouse, an eye, an arm, a fish, a sheep, an egg. Let's learn the. The is used when the noun is specific. We use the when there is only one thing of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth. Only one thing of its kind. Next one. We use the before the names of famous buildings, mountains, rivers, and names of the holy books. For examples, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Ganga, the Everest, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, next, practice time 2. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. See the first question. Dash Taj Mahal is in Agra. Here we use the. Why? Because Taj Mahal is a name of a building. So we use the. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Second one. My sister has a pencil box. A pencil box. Only one pencil box. So we use A, or P is a consonant sound. Next one. The girl is sitting on a chair. Specific. The girl is sitting on a chair. Next one. My brother has an egg in his lunch box. Egg. E is a vowel. So we use an egg. Next question. Mohan lives in a village. A village. Sixth one. The Ganges is a holy river. The name of a river. So we use the. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. My sister has a pencil box. The girl is sitting on a chair. My brother has an egg in his lunch box. Mohan lives in a village. The Ganges is a holy river. Next, take page number 34. Learn with fun. Look at the pictures and name them. Also write a, an, or the before them. See first one, egg. Egg, first letter E, that is a vowel. So we use an egg. Second one, a monkey. M is a consonant. So we use a monkey. Next one, the sun. Name only one thing of its kind. So we use the sun. Next one, an igloo. I is a vowel. So we use an egg, a monkey, the sun, and igloo. Now I am going to give you homework. This is not in your textbook, so you have to write in your rough book. Okay. Question. Fill in the blanks with the a or an. First question. There is dash bag on the table. See here, bag. Bag. Only one bag is there and B is a consonant. So what will come there? A. We saw dash ostrich in the jungle. Ostrich. Vowel now. O is the vowel. So what is the answer? An. We saw an ostrich in the jungle. Next one. I have a book. One book is there. So what will come? A. She is dash intelligent girl. See, intelligent first letter is I, that is a vowel. So an will come there. Okay, she is an intelligent girl. Next one. He is dash honest man. See, what is the first letter there? H. But H is silent. We have to pronounce honest. How we pronounce? Honest. He is an honest man. So H is there, but H is silent. So we will pronounce O. So answer is an. He is an honest man. There is a bag on the table. We saw an ostrich in the jungle. I have a book. She is an intelligent girl. He is an honest man. Okay. Next one. Look at the pictures and the words. Now fill in the blanks with a or an. So you have to fill in the blanks with a or an. First one. Stick. What is the answer? A stick. Orange. An orange. O is vowel. Pear. A pear. Arrow. An arrow. A is vowel. Apple. An apple. A vowel. Plum. A plum. P is consonant. A monkey. M is consonant. An eagle. E, first letter E, that is vowel. So an. Pigeon. A pigeon. Dolphin. A dolphin. D is consonant. Ant. An ant. Why? A is vowel. A snake. S is consonant. A crocodile. A. C is consonant. An operator. Why? O is vowel. O, first letter O. An operator. A magician. M is consonant. An actor. An actor. That means A is vowel. A computer. C is consonant. A computer. An owl. O is vowel. An eraser. E is vowel. A pen. P is consonant. See, listen here. One more time I will say the answer. You have to write in your rough book. Okay. A stick. An orange. A pear. An arrow. An apple. A plum. A monkey. An eagle. A pigeon. A dolphin. An ant. A snake. A crocodile. An operator. A magician. An actor. A computer. An owl. An eraser. A pen. Thank you.